Oo. O kasi ano, pag magsakit ang ulo natin, it means to say ang acid mo is high. Too high ang acid. That's why it affects the sakit ang ulo. Tapos mag-heartburn din tayo. Grabe ang palpitation. Basta taas ang acid. Lalo na pag ang imuhang gallstone, paingon na siya sa gallbladder, musuluray. That's the time na magkaroon ng attack. Okay? So right now, I am in the prostate side. I do the kasi may enlargement na sa left side. Magtunaw lang ako ha. You can shout, you can cry. I do the repair right now.
Inilipsel ako lang ha.
Yeah, you can do it. Oo.
Ganda po.
Oo. What I said na you can you can shout. You can shout, you can cry because I'm doing the repair right now. Okay? Oo. So, saan ka na-assign sa nag-teach ka talaga?
Yes, Doc. Absent lang di ko.
Absent ka just for this treatment.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, this is now the small intestine. Oo, I just kailangan ko siyang ma-relax para makastore siya ng food. Oo. Para mas marami siyang ma-push doon sa liver when you are sleeping. The food that stored in your small intestine can be processed. Oo, final digestion sa iyong liver. So, I am in your stomach right now. I'm doing the treatment on the stomach. Kasi hindi natutunaw yung kinakain mo eh. So kung ano yung pagkain na pinapasok mo sa tiyan, yun din ang ipupupo mo. So I have to, kailangan akong mag-emergency on this side. O kasi naiipit na yung prostate mo kasi na-prolapsus ka. Kasi yung dito mo, yung itong transversal colon mo, bumababa. O instead dito lang siya, bumababa siya, naiipit ang prostate. That's why reklamo ka sa prostate mo. O, and it can cause enlargement also. Pag dili normal ang
Doc, may mabilin ba?
Oh, yeah. Kasi nga, kanina tiningnan ko yung urethra mo may barado siya. So, that's how it is. Okay, now I am in the thyroid mo. Kasi kanina tiningnan ko nag-swelling. So, pag mag-swell ang ating thyroid, ang tendency, tataas din ang iyong BP. At saka mag-cause yan ng enlargement of the heart.
Thyroid, Doc, sa... Okay, Doc.
Muna may time na magkaon ka or mag-inom kag tubig masamid. Hirap kang maglunok.
Magtunog. Matukan, Doc.
Matukan ka ba? Kung sa Bisaya pa, matukan ka. Oo. So I have to
Experience ko.
I have to loosen this one kasi nag-swelling siya eh. When I look at your eyes, nagkaroon ng swelling ang iyong thyroid. Actually, nag-hormonal imbalance ka na eh. At your age, 57, I'm older than you. But you look older than me. Okay. Your mom is treating now my patient. So this one is in your teeth and this one is in your nose. May kunting sinusitis tayo. Ang dami mo kasing plema dito sa nasal area. Okay, this is your stomach. It's not stomach, it's a colon. Dito banda sa mo, ascending colon dito sa may tagiliran. Hindi siya ma-push. Ayan Stuck up siya Naka-stuck up siya, hindi siya hindi mo mapupo ito. Ayan So, how many times ka na magpupo every day?
Every morning, Doc.
Every morning lang, once.
Asay ka ng dahil na yung mga times, Doc, na katulog ko at may lang bugawas.
Because hindi siya okay, stuck up siya. So, hindi siya makababa. That's why sometimes, pag hindi normal ang pupo, it should be 2 to 3 times a day ang pagbawas. That's the normal. But if you do it once a day, dili siya normal because we eat 3 times a day with snacks pa. So dapat 1 hour after eating, 1 hour, 2 hours, you have to go to the bathroom and release the old one. Yun. Pero Filipino fan of eating kasi meat, lalo na sa gabi. So it's not normal. You have to eat a lot sa morning. The food that you wanted to eat Every day. Kanang gusto gyud nimo na pagkaon. You have to prepare it in the morning and you have to eat it. In the lunchtime and the nighttime, kahit konti lang ang kainin mo, it's better. Kasi tulog ka matulog ka na. So there's no processing. There's no digestion process ang may tabo sa imong stomach. So lahat na kinakain mo, na-store mo lang, fermented siya pagkabukas. So mabigat ang katawan pagising mo because it is toxic already. Fermented na siya bahaw. Kung baga sa pagkain, bahaw na. Oo. So the best the proper way to have a healthy life, you have to eat you have to eat food, more food on the morning. You have to pull it. Kahit wala ka ng gana, you just to put it because the stomach will just digest. Normally the stomach will just digest. Even you are not doing the exercise, you are just talking, our stomach is moving and do the digestion process. So yun. Like you are a teacher. So fun of talking. So even though you cannot do the exercise, still you can do the digestion process. So ito yung so may artery mo sa heart na barado. And kung mag-angioplasty tayo, it costs you millions because this is multiple. Dili lang siya isa, nag-interlocking na Tapos, two big artery sa heart mo is really protruding na siya. So, i-unclog ko lang to.
Delikado ba sa Dok?
Delikado siya pag hindi tayo nagkita.
Alamat kayo, Dok.
Kasi nga, if you just rely on the examination but you do nothing, so i-unclog ko lang ito kasi lang naman to Kailangan lang naman ng electrolytes para magtakbo yung dugo mo tapos malulusaw siya. So I'm putting an electrolytes now in your nerve sa artery mo sa puso. May utang ka sa akin ngayon 1.2 million. Okay.
Kayuhan ng buhat.
Okay. You want to get rid now of your gallstone? Magtanggal ka? Oo. Kaya para limpyo ka na, para dili ka magsigbalik-balik. Gusto ni mo?
Ako'y kwarta, kulang pa man akong kwarta ko, bro. Mama ko, pili lang Dok. Para sa, balikan lang ako, Dok.
Oo. Pero, you wanted to get rid of that para maayo ka.
Yes, Dok.
So, gawaan mo ako ng tanggal bato sa abdo. Magpatanggal si sir.
Na lang ako, Dok. Isa ka ng one time na lang ang pagkando.
Mamaya you can do it. Magduol raman ang may mga machine.
Para mausa na akong lakaw, Dok. Dita.
Ugat mo to sa puso mo. Kasi may siya, malaki kasi siya. Oo. So I have to get rid of it. Ano lang ha, bear with me. A little lang. Kasi gi-unplug ko lang siya. Kaysa magbayad mo for angioplasty, 400,000 baya ang bawat bara niya. Daghan baya ang imo multiple. This is the heart. This is the main heart. I'm doing it. Guys, I'm just doing my treatment right now. So I shared you a little bit how I do it. Para may idea kayo kung paano nyo ayusin yung buhay nyo to become healthy. You change your eating habit. Kasi most of the time, people are eating less in the morning and eat a lot in the evening. So, hindi maganda yun. So, baliktad. Kanina, I do my lamb soup and lamb adobo. Lechon lamb. I eat a lot this morning. Sa na ako, sa liver na ako. So, guys, ito yung mami nyo. I'm doing treatment on my say hi.
Hello. Good morning.
Entire world ito, nakikita ka.
Thank you, Dok. Salamat sa pagtulong.
Okay.
Sana magaling na to. Sana.
Don't put sana. You have to claim it.
Yes.
I will
Sorry,
treat
Dok.
you now. So, kunti na lang yung aayusin natin.
Okay, thank you, Dok.
Okay, guys, that is my patient, a teacher. So, this is your mom. Good morning to everyone. I'm back. I love you all. I know you missed me for 2 days. You did not see my face for 2 days. So now, your mom has an energy ulit.